Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a price alert on CoinMarketCap application. If you've set a price alert on CoinMarketCap by mistake or don't need it anymore, you can quickly delete the price alert in the application. First of all, launch open the CoinMarketCap app on your device and log in. From the homepage of CoinMarketCap, go to the top right section and tap on your profile avatar. Once you get to this expanded menu, click on Price Alert. You'll then be able to see all of your active price alerts. Locate the one you want to delete and then swipe left on it and you'll see a delete button. Tap on that and you have successfully deleted the selected price alert. The price alert is now removed and you will no longer receive notifications for it. So that is how you easily delete a price alert on CoinMarketCap. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.